Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change game settings in Among Us for your server. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in simple Among Us, and here you want to click here, and you got this like color here and skin here, and you can simply choose which skin you actually like and which color you like. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much. You can also choose a pet here. So thank you very much everybody, and yeah, goodbye.